coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's check out what they have for babies and baby showers. Let's take a look, guys. So over here, all the way up on the top over there, you see some bow streamers. No, those are bows. Okay, then over here you have a wall mural that says it's a girl, but they also have it. Did I see it in the boy? I'm not sure, but I know they must have it in both boy and girl. So then they have that centerpiece up on the top. It's too high up for me to reach, and then they have the letter banner, and it's a girl. Then the garland for the girl. And then they have this, the award button. It's a girl, and here the little box favors. Those are cute. And here are invitations, guys. Look at this. Then they have this garland here. It's a girl. And they have the little bracelets. You can use them for favors that say baby. And this is for shower. It's a baby. And then here they have the little bags, the little bag sacks. And they come in the white, the pink, and the blue. So over here you have the favors for the girl. Look at this, the rattles, the little baby shoe, and here's the stroller, guys. Isn't that adorable? So we can definitely make some stuff out of that. They even have the mint green, which is really nice when you don't know what you're having. Here's the cream, and then here's the white. That's really neat. So here's a garland in the powder blue. And then here are the rattles and the shoe and the stroller. And then they have these here, the little blocks. These are all good for favors. So now you get into the invitations for the boy. That's if you know what you're having. And then they have the gift bags over there that say, oh baby, new baby. And they have the giant bags. Look at this one, the dinosaur. They have the cat and the dog. More gift bags. Let's see, this is the whale. And that one too. And this one says adorable, the turtle. And then this one over here. Look at that one, tiny bundle. That's so cute. Aww. So you have some more up there, guys. The tiny miracle. Okay, so those are the gift bags. So now you have the ribbons. This one, it says little sunshine in blue. There's the pink polka dot, and there is the baby footprints. This is really nice. And then here are the socks in the pink. These are really nice, guys. And then here's some baby ribbons down here. This is the teddy bear. He or she. That's nice. You could use them for both. Okay, then you have some wrapping paper for babies and even the paper shreds, guys. I don't think I ever noticed the paper shreds. Then you have the crepe paper. And here's the tissue paper for babies. The paper plates. So this is nice. This is for a boy. And they have the one over there in pink for a girl. And then these two here is if you don't know what you're having. At least it says, oh baby. This one is in yellow and this one is in the green. Those are the cups for the girl. This is the cups for the baby if you don't know what you're having. And the one that says it's a boy. Same thing with the napkins, guys. So I'm loving the fact that they have the boy, the girl, and the I don't know. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at that little baby section, and I'll see you in the next video.